Space, the final frontier, is a vast expanse of uncharted territories and unsolved mysteries. One of these mysteries is the enigmatic signals we've been receiving, signals that have left scientists scratching their heads for decades. Imagine waves of information traveling light years only to be caught in our earthly nets. These signals, whispers from the universe, hold secrets that we're only beginning to unravel. Prepare yourself for a cosmic journey as we delve into the top 5 most mysterious signals ever received. Join us as we venture into the cosmos, tracing these signals back to their origins. Our journey begins in 1977 with the WOW signal, the first signal to truly perplex our scientists. This anomalous signal was picked up by Ohio State University's Big Ear radio telescope. With a duration of 72 seconds, it stood out due to its intensity and frequency range, appearing to come from the constellation Sagittarius. The signal was so unexpected that astronomer Jerry Amon, who discovered it, famously scribbled "wow" in the margins of the printout, hence its name. Over the years, many theories have been proposed to explain the WOW signal. Some suggest it was a transmission from an extraterrestrial civilization, while others argue it could be the result of a natural cosmic event. Yet despite countless investigations and much speculation, the origin of the WOW signal remains a mystery. Indeed, it has become a symbol of our ongoing quest to understand the cosmos. While the WOW signal continues to baffle us, it was just the beginning. Next, we encounter the Pulsars, discovered in 1967, a cosmic DJ sending us beats from the universe. These celestial bodies, akin to cosmic lighthouses, were initially dubbed as LGMs, or Little Green Men, due to their rhythmic pulses that sparked theories of extraterrestrial civilizations. However, the truth behind these pulses was no less fascinating. Pulsars are highly magnetized, rotating neutron stars that emit beams of electromagnetic radiation. This radiation is what we perceive as the rhythmic pulses, as the beam flickers in and out of view with the star's rotation. Imagine a lighthouse, its beams sweeping across the dark ocean. A pulsar operates in much the same way. The formation of these stars is equally captivating. Born from the violent explosions of supernovas, they are the dense, spinning remnants of massive stars that have lived their lives and died spectacularly. Pulsars may have been explained, but the mystery train doesn't stop here. We now fast forward to 2007, where we encounter fast radio bursts, or FRBs, the flashbulbs of the cosmos. These fleeting phenomena were first detected by the Parkes Observatory in Australia. Incredibly brief, yet unbelievably bright, FRBs last a mere fraction of a second, but in that moment they emit as much energy as the sun does in nearly a century. Their origins, as you might expect, are shrouded in mystery. Some scientists believe that these intense bursts of radio waves may be the dying gasps of neutron stars colliding. Others theorize that they could be the echoes of black holes devouring matter at a ferocious rate. They might even be the cosmic equivalent of a lighthouse, spinning and beaming out signals into the vast expanse of space. But despite all these theories, the truth remains elusive. FRBs are still a hot topic among astronomers, but the final signal we'll discuss is even more enigmatic. Our journey concludes with the BLC1 signal, discovered in 2020, a potential whisper from an advanced civilization. This intriguing signal caught the attention of scientists worldwide due to its unusual characteristics. Unlike many cosmic signals that we have encountered, the BLC1 maintained a steady frequency over a prolonged period, which is quite an anomaly in the realm of astrophysics. The BLC1 signal, named after the Breakthrough Listen initiative at the University of California, Berkeley, where it was first detected, sparked a flurry of theories and debates. Some astrophysicists suggested it might be a result of a natural cosmic phenomenon, yet undiscovered. However, the steady frequency of the BLC1 signal led others to speculate about the possibility of it being of artificial origin, potentially a message from an advanced extraterrestrial civilization. It's important to note that while the BLC1 signal presents an exciting possibility, we are far from confirming its origin. The scientific community continues to analyze and study this signal, trying to decode its mysteries. The BLC1 signal is a perfect example of how space continues to baffle us, presenting us with more questions than answers. From the WOW signal to the BLC1, these signals remind us that the universe is a vast, mysterious place, full of secrets waiting to be discovered. Our exploration of these cosmic messages is far from over, and who knows what fascinating revelations the future holds for us.